Spicy, salty, sweet, and sour, the Achari masala coats previously pressure cooked paya or goat trotters. The reserved stock, after the payas are pressure cooked, is added in, and this makes a delicious gravy. I have four sheep or goat hooves or paya, and each hoof has been cut into three pieces. This is about 700 grams. In my instant pot or any other electric or stovetop pressure cooker, add some oil and then add in 1 cup of finely chopped onion. I'm also going to add half a teaspoon of cumin seeds. Saute this and add in half a cup of curry leaves. I'm now going to add in my goat hooves or paya. I usually get the burnt paya. This way I don't have to spend too much time prepping this ahead, as the burning tends to remove all of the hairs that are on the hooves. Next, I'm going to add salt to taste. I'm also going to add 2 teaspoons of ginger and garlic paste. And I'm also going to add half a teaspoon of turmeric, and I'm going to mix it in. Turmeric gives a lovely flavor, plus it's also going to give the stock a lovely golden glow. I'm going to now add 3 cups of water. Close the lid and allow this to cook for 50 minutes. After it's done, allow the steam to escape. Open the lid and allow the liquid to cool down a bit. Using a sieve, strain the liquid. Check how soft and squishy this meat is. In a large wok or kadai, I'm going to heat up some oil, and I'm going to add 1 cup of finely chopped onion. Saute this for a bit, and then I'm going to add in a 1/4 cup of curry leaves. Next, add in 2 teaspoons of ginger and garlic paste. Saute this to get rid of that raw ginger and garlic flavor. Now I'm going to add in 2 tablespoons of mustard oil. I'm going to add my paya into the hot wok or kadai. I just want to cook this for a few minutes just to give the paya a beautiful color on the exterior. Look at the color on this. Now for the Achari masala, I make my own blend. You can find this recipe on my YouTube channel. I'm going to add about 8 teaspoons of the Achari masala in total. I will add the first 4 teaspoons in and allow it to coat the meat. Now I'm going to add another 2. You have to work quickly before the spice powders start to burn. I'm going to start ladling in the stock. Add the first 2 ladles in and mix it in. I've added salt in the stock earlier, so I will only taste and add more salt towards the end of the cook. Add 2 more ladles of stock and allow it to reduce again. Now I'm going to add in the last 2 teaspoons of the Achari masala. And I'm going to add in another ladle of stock. Allow this to thicken, and finally I'm going to add in the last 2 ladles. Each ladle is about 100 ml, so this is about 700 ml in total. And I will now add salt to taste. Add the juice of half a lime. This will just lift up the flavors. Allow this to thicken up according to your liking and then garnish with chopped coriander. Enjoy.